Hi everybody. Today I will be telling you how to record video in Zoom platform. So for that, initially you open the PowerPoint presentation which you want to record. After that you minimize this video and then you press the icon of Zoom. Then start new meeting, and when you will start new meeting, then in this way it will be displayed. And then after that what you have to do is, initially you do here record, and
Recording in progress.
so the recording will start. Then you share the screen. When you will be sharing the screen, then you have to share the screen in which there was this PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so you can see here you are screen sharing. Now after that you press this slideshow. By this the slideshow will appear. So we are going to start how to record video in Zoom platform. Then you press enter. So this is the first slide in which I want to tell you about what I am going to discuss today. So the topic of my presentation is controlled delivery systems based on dissolution and diffusion. So in this way, you can make a first page slide. And in this, if you want it to be prepared for some channel, then you have to keep a icon of your channel. Otherwise, if you are preparing this video for presenting for some evaluation purpose, then you don't have to give your identity, but you have to make a proper PowerPoint, and then you have to discuss each and everything in the PowerPoint. So in this way, this is the second slide. You have to explain this slide also. Then if you press enter, then next slide will be appeared. So here if you want to discuss or you want to highlight anything, so you press annotate color. For example, you can take red, yellow, whatsoever you want. For example, I want to keep it red, so I will be clicking red, and this is the pen. You can change the thickness of the pen also. So in this way you can set it where you want to keep it, your picture. So if initially I want to say that this is the definition of dissolution: the amount of the drug substance that goes into solution per unit time under standardized conditions of liquid or solid interface temperature, then that is dissolution. If you want to highlight anything, you can highlight here. You can do tick also. For example, if this is a figure, you want to explain this figure, you can write anything in this. Now, if you don't want to keep this in your presentation, then you can press here, clear all the drawings, and then close it. Then only you can go in the next slide. So in this way, you discuss all the slides, and when you are discussing all the slides, then it will be recorded in your Zoom platform. And at the end, when you have recorded, then just press it and then press stop share. When you will press stop share, then that sharing will be stopped. Here, stop recording.
Recording stopped.
So here the recording will stop, and then you press the end. If you press the end, then end meeting for all. After that, what happens? You can see here, this meeting will be converted into a recording in MP4. So we will wait here. We will see that it is converting our video. This video, because I have prepared this video, so I will be just waiting till the 100% slide is converted. So I have not explained much the PowerPoint slides because I just wanted to make a small video, because the size of the video is very important, because if it is of big size, then it will take much time in converting into video. So just for explaining sake, I have just shown you the basics of like how you can convert your PowerPoint into video, how you can record in it. So we are seeing here that it is converting. So when it is converted into 100%, then it will automatically stop, and then you can rename your slide, your video as you want, and you can open and see that your video is properly made or not. So you can see here it is made. Now you click this one, you stop it, you stop your PPT, you stop this one, and this you can see here it is saved. You just click it and you listen what has been made. So the recording will start, then you share the screen. When you will be sharing the screen, then you have to share the screen in which there was this PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so in this way you can listen completely the video that you have made. So this video I have made for how much time duration? You can see here complete time duration was of 2.